We believe that automation is essential to prepare your farm for the future. Using an automatic milking system plays a vital part in your cow's health, the success of your farm, and your personal well-being. At Lely, we understand the power of automation and the power of data on your farm. It's time to make that data work for you. It's time for the next step in milking. It's time for Next, the new Lely Astronaut A5 Next, the next step in optimizing your life as a farmer. Our improved milking robot combines over 30 years of experience and innovation with the latest and most advanced technologies, which seamlessly integrate with the rest of your farm. The Astronaut A5 Next simplifies your life with enhanced diagnostics and service insights, powered by a completely renewed operating system. A smart partner combined with Lely Horizon that not only learns from your cow's data, but also compares results from thousands of farms worldwide to optimize your farm management. The Astronaut A5 Next offers great ease of use, reliability, better insights into your cow's health, and a solid return on investment. It comes with new physical features too, like the completely renewed teat detection system that fosters optimal milking and the new brush unit. There are also options like the improved milk separation unit, ear tag recognition and monitoring, and our latest innovation, the automatic milk filter. Profit from our global Lely Center network with its unprecedented service and farm management support, taking this to the next level with remote diagnostics. The Astronaut A5 Next is the next step in turning your robot into your partner, so you will be ready for the technology of today, tomorrow, and beyond. To continue to do what you've always done best, being a dairy farmer. The Lely Astronaut A5 Next. Stay ahead of your future.